Good morning, everyone. Now we are going to continue the topic that is direction, part three. Okay, and in first part we just discuss about the directions, which direction finally he faces or he or she faces by using left, right, and 90 degrees, and these things we discuss in the first class. That too we prepare like that without pen and paper. We can do that direction. So which direction finally he'll facing. So these type of questions we discuss in the first part, and the second part. Yesterday we discussed about how much distance, how much far is from the starting point, or which direction from starting point. This we discussed yesterday. Now we are going to discuss today in the third part. So it's nothing but Pythagoras theorem. I said yesterday, right? Said yesterday one of the one of the model is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, I think everyone knows about this Pythagoras theorem, right? So here you just consider this. This is A. Sorry. This is A and this is B. Then this will be the C. So A squared A. Then by using the Pythagoras theorem, we can find this length. If you know these two length, if you know A length and if you know the B length, then we can find out this length A and C length, right? How? C is nothing but the root of A square plus B square, right? So this is we are going to use here to Pythagoras theorem problems in directions. Guys, can you hear me, right? Yeah, give the response in chat box. Okay. Now, first problem, look into this method. So Pythagoras theorem, they will give the distance and they will give the directions also. From we need to find how long he is from the starting point or maybe some ending point. So, but by using the Pythagoras theorem. Now we'll move to the question first. Look into the first question. Now, Ram started walking towards east. So always I said, so whenever they say the direction problems, it just draw the north direction. North direction. It will be easy for you. It will be easy for you. Okay. This is nothing but north. Now, just look at here. What they're saying, Ram started walking towards east. Towards east. After walking 10 meters, he took a right turn and walked 10 meters. He took a left turn and walked 30 meters. And again he took left turn, walked 40 meters. How Ram, okay, how far actually? Okay. I'll discuss this. How far and which direction from starting point? Okay, clear. Now, how we are going to do this? Same, what we learned before the classes, same we are going to apply here also. From north, this is origin point. Think this is the origin point. Okay, this is the north side, right? So what he started first, towards east he started. Towards east he started. And how many meters 10 meters. This is the 10 meters. And then he took a right. What's the right of east? What's the right of east? It's nothing but south. And he walked again 10 meters. Again 10 meters. He took left turn. Which is left for south? South left. It's nothing but this. And he walked 30 meters now. 30 meters, right? Now, again, and he took left turn. Again he took left turn, now left turn and 40 meters. Now it is 40 meters. Okay. Is it clear? 40 meters. How far and which direction from starting point? Which direction starting point? You can say, anyone, which direction is now? This is C. This is a point. It is a point, center point. Okay, or origin. Okay. This is north, this is east, and this is west. This is east. Towards east, right, you move, and this is south. Okay. And now, which point he is now? Exactly from here, like this, right? Is like this. And now, which direction from the origin? From the origin, which direction he is now? Is now which direction? Northeast. Yeah. He's from origin, he's northeast. He's now, what's the distance? What's the far from this direction? What's the how long he traveled? So no need to consider these things. Yeah, actually, this is 10. This is 10, and this is also 10, and this is 30, and this is 40. Right? Now, how long he consider? I mean, how much he traveled? Now, you just see, look at. We need to know this distance. We need to know this distance. That means we require this distance, entire distance, and then this distance, right? Is it clear? This distance, right? Now, just look at here. Yes, ma'am. Nice answer. Okay, now he traveled. This is 10. Sorry. This is 10 meters and this is 30 meters. 30 meters. So totally from here to here, how many meters? 10 plus 30, 40 meters. Okay, is it clear? Now, from here to here, 40 meters. And from here to here, this is nothing but same equal, 10 meters, right? So 10 remaining, this is 10. So remaining is 20 meters. Do you understand how I am going to find out this total length and this length? This total length is nothing but this way, east way, he traveled 10 meters first of all. Then again east side, he traveled 30 meters. So this 10 meters and 30 meters, both is nothing but 40 meters. East side he traveled. Okay, the straight line from the origin, east side he traveled. Now, and from here to here, from this point, when he take left turn from south and end the point is 40 meters. 40 meters. But we want only this length. We want only this length. So up to here, this will be the trend 10 south and this will be the 10. So sorry, 10 only, right? If you're subtracting 10, that it's nothing but 30, not 21. Okay, it's nothing but 30. Now we have A length is 40 and B length is 30. Is it clear? Now, what's the Pythagoras theorem? What is the Pythagoras theorem? A square plus B square root of, it's a C. Okay, then what's the A? 40 square plus what's the B? 30 square root of. So 40 square is nothing but 1600 plus 30 square is nothing but 900. Root of this and root of 1600 plus 900, 2500. Is it clear? So root of 2500 is nothing but 50 meters. So what's the length from this? So from here he traveled like this. This is nothing but 50 meters. And which side is now? From the origin point. From the origin point, it is northeast. Northeast. Okay. Is it clear? So this is how we are going to solve this Pythagoras theorem problems, and we'll solve many problems on this one. Then you people will get a better better idea and easily we will solve the questions. Now, move for the second question. Kamal goes 12 kilometers towards north. Always you just think, first of all, you just take the origin point, and from here, yeah, Kamal goes 12 kilometers towards north from a fixed point. Fixed point is nothing but this one, this origin. Okay, from here, he goes how many meters? 12 kilometer. Okay, 12 kilometer. Fixed point. And then goes 8 kilometers towards south. Towards south means again reverse. In the reverse order, I mean in reverse way, it come from here, here, okay, for understanding purpose. Okay, 8 kilometers. 8 kilometers south there. In the end, he goes 3 kilometers towards east. From here it is, he is there, and towards east, he how many kilometers? 3 kilometers, right? Now what they're asking, how far he is from the starting point. Where is the starting point? This will be the starting point actually. This is the starting point. We need to know this way. Okay, we know you need to know this length, and we know that this length, and we know that this length, right? The same way he returned, that is towards east, that is this way, it is 3 kilometers. It's a 3 kilometers, and we have to find out this one. And we know this is totally 12 kilometers. This is total 12 kilometers, and he returned back 8 kilometers. 8 kilometers. What's the remaining here? What's the remaining? 4 kilometers, right? So 4 and 3. So a square plus b square in the root. So what's the a? 4 square plus b square. B is nothing but 3 square. So it's nothing but 16 plus 9, 25. Root 25 is nothing but 5 kilometers. 5 kilometers far it is. This one. Okay. Is it clear? Yeah, nice. Good answers. Now, move for the next question. A person starts walking in north direction. A person starts walking in north direction, and after traveling a distance 20 meters, take a left turn and walks 25 meters. Okay, first north direction and take a left turn. Take a left turn and 25 meters. From here, he took a right turn and walked 20 meters, and finally took a right turn and walked 35 meters. How far is from the starting point and which direction he is now? He is asking which direction also. Okay. Same way. Same. Now, today's class, we are going to solve only these type of problems. Okay. You need to be, everyone should understand what's happening here. Okay. Now, just look. A person starts walking in the north direction like this. North direction. How many meters? 20 meters. 20 meters. After traveling 20 meters, takes a left turn from north. From north, this will be the left turn, right? So left turn, he took left turn. He took left turn and walks 25 meters. 25 meters. Then from here, he took right turn. He took right turn. Again right. From west, it is right. From west, he took right. Right? How many meters? Walk at 20 meters. Okay. 20 meters. And finally took a right turn and walked 35 meters. and took a right turn. From here, the right turn means right. Now he's in this way, and here right turn. Right turn is nothing but it's at 35 meters. 35. This is 20, right? This is 25, right? So this will be the 25, then it will be more than no 35 meters. Now what they're asking, how far he is from the starting point, in which direction he is. In which direction he is, this is the starting point. This is the starting point. Okay. This is the starting point. He is now here. Now here. Which direction? This is north, this is east, and this is northeast. This is northeast. Okay. Northeast. Direction we know. Now, what is the distance between from here to here? If you know the distance, this and this, better I'll move this one somewhere. Now you better understand. Now this is the, he traveled like this first of all. This is what? This is 20 meters and this is 25 meters, and again he took 20 meters. Finally he took 35 meters. Okay. Now east one route, north east route 17. Okay. Yeah. Now, so nice answer. It is northeast. One thing we already find. This is the northeast. This is the origin point. This is east. This is north. So it is northeast. Okay. And now from here to here, we need to find the distance. That means we need to this and this, right? From here to here, it is 20. Okay. From here to here, it is 20. And from here, that means these two are equal, right? So these also 20. So total from here to here, so 40 meters he walked. 40 meters walk. And from here to here. So from here to here, it is 25. So and again he backwards, right? So this will be 25. Total 35. It is 25. It's gone. So remaining 10. So remaining 10 is there. Okay. Now we know the A and B, just root of 40 square plus 10 square. So 10 square is nothing but 100 plus 40 square is nothing but 1600. It's nothing but root of 1700. Root of 1700. From this we can get 100 out. That means 10 root 17. 10 root 17 meters northeast direction. Is it clear? Northeast direction. Clear, guys? We'll move for the next question. Now, this question you people will solve this. Now, Suresh traveled 7 kilometers towards south and then 5 kilometers towards his left. He further travels 5 kilometers towards south. How far he is from the starting point and which direction also. Okay, you just find out the which direction also. What he is doing? Suresh traveled 7 kilometers towards south, like this. 7 kilometers. Okay, south. Then and then 5 kilometers towards his left. Which one is left? The left is sorry, this one, right? 5 kilometers. Okay, east side. And then from that he turns 5 kilometers towards south. Again south. Okay, here. And now how far he is from here? How far from the starting point? Okay, this will be the 7 kilometers and this is 5 kilometers and this is again 5 kilometers. Okay, and where he is now? From here to here we need to find out, right? From here to here. So we require this length and this length also. Okay. What is this length? Same as this one only. Same as we know this one and this one will be the same. So 5 only. And what's this? This one, and from this one, this is 7 and this is 5. So totally 7 plus 5, 12. So this complete length from here to here. From here to here, it is 7 mark. Here to here, it is 7. And from here to here, it is 5. Totally 12. So totally 12. And this is 5 only. Okay, this is 5 only. Okay, now same. Root of 5 square plus 12 square. Root of 5 square plus 12 square. So 25 plus 144. This is nothing but 169. Root of 169 is nothing but 13 square. So 13 kilometers. From which way, ma? Which side he is now? This is the origin point. Think this is the origin point. This is the south. And now he is here. So this is east. This is nothing but southeast. Southeast. Okay. Is it clear? Once again. Okay. Okay, just wait. I'll show you better way. He started from one point. Okay, this is a point. He started from this point. He started towards south. Towards south. How many kilometers? 7 kilometers. Okay. And then from here, he took left. He took left means east side. East side. How many kilometers? 5 kilometers. Okay. And then again he is travel towards south. From here, again he travel towards south. Like this. So finally is here now. Is here. And started here. Okay. This is north. This is north. Sorry. This will be the north. Okay. This is south now. This way is north. This way is south. So here to here, how many kilometers? 7 kilometers. And from here to here, this is 5 kilometers, right? And this is also 5 kilometers. Now, we need to find out this length from here to here, this length. This length we want. If you want this length, if I know this length and total this length, then we can find out, right? This is A, this is B, this is C, right? So what is the this length? What will be the this length? What will be the this length? It is as the same this one, right? So each side, how much he traveled? 5 kilometers. So this also 5 kilometers. This also 5 kilometers. And from south side, totally he traveled from here to here. But in this, we know from here to here, it is a 5. Already they given. But what about this length? This is nothing but equal to this. This is equal to this. So it is nothing but 7. So 7 plus 5, totally this length equal to 12 meters or 12 kilometers. This is 5 kilometers. Now we know that Pythagoras theorem, root of a square plus b square equal to c. So we want c. This one is c. This one is c. And a is 5 square plus b nothing but 12 square. So root 25 plus 144. So root 169. So root 169 is nothing but 13 kilometers. Is it okay now? Is it okay? Okay. Now, come to the next one. A person walks 4 kilometers towards west, then turns to his right, travels 9 kilometers. Okay. He turns towards east and travels 12 kilometers. Finally, he traveled 3 kilometers towards south. How far he is from the initial point? So always you just find out this is the initial point. This is the initial point. Okay. This is the initial point. This will be the initial point. Now, this is north, south, east, west. Now, you just see this. A person walks 4 kilometers towards west. Okay, towards west, like this. Towards west, how many kilometers? 4 kilometers. Towards west, 4 kilometers. And then turns right. Which one is right? West, right is nothing but north. So like this. 9 kilometers to travel. 9 kilometers. And then he turns east side. Which is east? For this, it is nothing but east. So this will be the east. Again like this. How many kilometers? 12 kilometers. 12 kilometers. Okay. Finally, he traveled 3 kilometers towards south. 3 kilometers towards south. Now, what's the distance? What's the distance between initial point and this point? What's that? What they're asking from here to here. They're asking the length. So, if you want to find out this thing, then we should know this length and this length, right? Suppose if you know this one, and this one, then we can easily find out, right? Now, see here, this total is 9 kilometers, they said, and this total is 12 kilometers, they said. Okay, totally 12 kilometers, they said. And from here to here, they said 4 kilometers, right? So 4 kilometers. And the totally is, this is 3 kilometers. This total is 9. First, we just observe this dotted lines here. The total is 9 kilometers. In this 9 kilometers, 3 kilometers he returned back. So that means 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3. Okay, what is this? 6. So this is nothing but, sorry, 9 minus 3 is 6. This is 6. And what about this length? So totally from here to here, it is 12 kilometers. And from here to here, he traveled towards west, right? This is 4 kilometers. That means just dotted lines. This is 4 kilometers. 12 minus 4 will get this one. 12 minus 4 is nothing but 8. Now, so we know this 8 kilometers here, A, 6 kilometers B. So root of 6 square plus 8 square. 8 square is nothing but 64 and 6 square is nothing but 36. Root of 36 plus 64, root of 100. Root 100 is means 10 kilometers. This is now 10 kilometers. And which side he is now? Which side he is facing? This. This is the origin point, right? Is facing like here. So this is northeast. Okay. So nice. Nagasudha. Now I'm going to clear this. We'll move on to the next question. Last question we are going to solve here. A man walks 2 kilometers to north. Then he turns to east and walks 10 kilometers. After this, he turns to north and walks 3 kilometers. Again, he turns to east and walks 2 kilometers. How far is from the starting point? Same type of questions I am giving. Why? Because if you are practicing much questions, then you people will understand easily. So this is the origin point. This is the origin point. This is the origin point. A man walks 2 kilometers to the north. Okay, 2 kilometers to the north. From here, 2 kilometers north. Okay, this is 2 kilometers north. Then he turns east. Okay, he turns east and then he walks 10 kilometers like this. After this, he turns to north, again he turns to north and walks 3 kilometers. Like this. Okay, I'll move this question first. Whatever better understanding the first like this. Now see. Yeah, from here, 3 kilometers he walks. Again, he turns east. And walks 2 kilometers. Again, he walks 2 kilometers towards east. Okay, towards east, 2 kilometers. Now, how far he is from this point? What's this asking? From this point, they're asking. From this, they're asking. Okay, from this. So how we're going to find out? From here to here. Now, say how we're going to find out this length. So we need to know this length, and you need to know this length totally. Then total, if you know these two things, then we can find out easily, right? Now, just see this one. What is the first thing? Hit 2 kilometers north. Okay, and then 10 kilometers east. This is 10. This is 10. Again 3 kilometers. This is 3. Again 2. This will be 3. Now this is 2, and from here to here, what is this? This will be the same, right? This 3 kilometers you just keep here. That is nothing but 5. From here to here we got the distance, that is 5. And from here to here you need to know this is 10 and this is 2. So totally 12. Is it clear? Now 12 square plus 5 square. 12 square plus 5 square. So it's nothing but we just before we solved 144 plus 25. It's nothing but root 169. It's 13. Is it clear? Now I think you people understand everything. So I'm going to clear this, and first of all I'll keep this question in correct manner, and then so now today's we discuss about Pythagoras theorem. By using the Pythagoras theorem, how far he is from the starting point and which direction he is now. Okay, this is what by using the Pythagoras theorem. In next class, we'll find out the angle based on the angles problems. So how much is angle, right angle, I mean angles, and then clockwise and anti-clockwise. We'll see these two type of problems, and then one more problem is there, shadows. Shadows also comes under this one only. That is, we're going to end this. So thanks for watching, and bye bye now.